Welcome back to Finding Beauty with Kelly. I'm Kelly and I am back with an Avon unboxing. It's been about 2 months since I've done one of these and my campaign 17 order just arrived and I can't wait to show you the things that I have picked up. So without further ado, let's dive in. In case this is your first time joining me, I am an Avon online representative, so if there are any of these things that I wanted to try out that catch your eye, you can jump into my Avon store, linked below, and pick them up. So let's dig into this box. One of the first things that I decided to order is the Salon de Color shampoo and conditioner. Now these are a purple shampoo and conditioner that help tone down brassiness. Now as a silver sister with salt and pepper hair, I've noticed that my grays are starting to get a little bit brassy and I needed something to tone down the brass. So I wanted to give this conditioner and shampoo a try. So in the coming weeks, you'll see a review of these two. And keeping with shampoo and conditioner, my daughter needed some shampoo and conditioner, and I picked up the Moisture Essentials Shine shampoo and conditioner for her. She has beautiful thick hair and needs a really good conditioner so that we don't get comb stuck in her hair as we comb it out. So these two are for her to try out. And then there are some new nail products that just dropped on August 28th, which is today. I have the nail air dry drops. So this is going to help speed up the dry time for your nail polish. So you just put a few drops on and it's going to speed up the process. So again, new product and new to me, so more to come on this one. And then just to help my manicures last a little bit longer, I did decide to pick up the FMG Glimmer base coat and top coat. So you can put this on as a base to prime your nails for the polish and then top it off to seal and protect. I do know that the FMG Glimmer nail polish does last quite a while, but I want to get as many days out of my manicure as I can. So I'm hoping this is going to help add to that wear time. Then as far as new products that are coming soon, you know when you see this, it means jewelry. And in the What's New available for representatives, they had some adorable Halloween jewelry and I couldn't resist. So this one is a 3-piece set of bracelets that feature pumpkins with some glow-in-the-dark beads. So cute crystals. You can see I've got a jack-o'-lantern here, as well as a multicolored strand and orange. So great little fun for adding some fall spirit to outfits. So can't wait to start wearing these. I kind of have a rule that I don't wear Halloween stuff until at least September 1st or after Labor Day. So gotta have a few more days to break these out. And then the other product that is coming soon, this will be available on September 11th. It is the Match Airbrush Primer. So it is a tinted primer. You can wear it over your moisturizer, just wear it alone, or you can use it as a base for your foundation. So I'm excited to try this because there are days that I do want to even out my complexion, but I have never liked the feeling of foundation. So I'm hoping that this is going to be light enough to just even things out and still be comfortable to wear. So with this order, I did end up getting some freebies. I typically place my orders on Fridays because there is always a code for some free products that drops on Thursdays. And these codes are valid Thursdays from 10 a.m. through 11:59 p.m. Pacific time on Fridays. And there's always a code for if you spend $60 and then a code if you spend $100. And this was from the Spend 60 code. I ended up getting the Avon Solutions Anti-Aging Cream, the LX New Clean Cream Cleanser. I love the balancing gel cleanser from this line, so I'm excited to check this one out and see how this one does. And then the Isonox Anew Clinical Resurfacing Body Lotion, and this has AHA in it, so this is going to be a great exfoliating lotion for your skin. And I have used this before, so I was running low, so this was a great time to restock when I was already ordering something and could score a freebie. And then as far as business things, I always pick up a pack of brochures. So I have brochures for campaign 19 because we are in campaign 18. So have these, and I'll be leaving them so I can share all of the fun things from Avon as I go places. I appreciate you joining me as I unboxed my most recent Avon order. And I know it does look like I ordered a lot of product, and I do try to be mindful when I place my orders where I try to order products that I know that I will use or my family will use. And sometimes I do have to admit I want to try the new stuff like the airbrush primer and then air dry nail. And I mean, how can you resist cute pumpkin bracelets? So this was definitely an impulse and just couldn't resist. But I am excited to try the new things I picked up, especially the Color Vibe shampoo and conditioner, because I do need to tone down some of the brassiness. And if you enjoy this content, I hope that you will continue to join me. And if there's something that caught your eye, drop a comment below or jump into my Avon store and you can pick these up. There is free shipping every day on orders of $60 or more. And like I said, if you place an order on Thursdays and Fridays, there's always a code for some freebies. So that's a great insider tip. And if you want access to products before they are released, like the airbrush or the air dry nail drops, you can become an Avon representative, and I do have the link to join my team. So I am glad you joined me, and I hope that you'll continue to join me as we create and find beauty in our world together.